Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'Gusii.
Jumapili yangia ya tariki 13 cy'omutyenyi Ikomi omwaka wa 2024 no kwigena kwa mwancho muri na litkuria ndigenderete ko bali twere rukigima na mwana no genderete kwego kya sokubwatia emirobero yonse getoseni kya Ndizi TV nabwo obwansu bwo Gusii netinga kingekera ngo kwariganya semesa ya Amayia Chinsa Ikomi cyabona mugoroba eri nkumanya munana yana kwariganira senchira ere yobwenge karutoro cyabuna amanke na genderete gokorekana imeyense ya Kenya ne litkuria lero chingaki ababwatani akurwa sekyama kerekya ODM gati yabo umuraiwe kyame kyo Raila Odinga nigo bagenderete no musangrekano munene ase county ya Mombasa asekirenga kyo gukwanira imerobero au ye kyama kinga kyo muraiwe kyame kyo Raila Odinga agochia kogenda ase okurwanira kirogo kyobomo gosekerogo akyobunyakero ase kyombekeria kya EU nigo muraiwe se Dr. William Samuel Ruto agenderete kubanekeria abakenya muna kirenga kyabekene no chwoikirania obokoreri ase obokoreri bobwena se abananchi bose kinga kikira naso musangrekano bomusabo ase kanisa ya ACK ime ya county ya Nairobi na sensemo ya yomokonyi bomuraiwense rigadigashwa nigagendete korokyo kwegena kwaye abuna obwene mboche kororokana kinga kiriberera ryo kumurusi abisirigenderete kubwata insema gega yapa chumbe emichimi ibere 53 na yomo wake kura yo gwitabirana owako kwa yesko kinga kibono akagire gochia wikirana bosyo bwebunke ye Senate eriyo kwe esegoseriyo kwerera igoro yamamocharia mu bwatarati abe aliyarengete komorusi abisibu no mokonye bo muraiwense ngo kwariganya sentra ya bene ekero konyero bina sensemo ya Facebook rabotonyaro wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube otonyaro wetra Ndizi TV News na bagase website ito wetra www.ndizitv.net eriyo togendere gusangaso bwamo. Riatriane Everyline Osero sara mumanyinero ko eneke chibichenerio gichawe kira senchira benengo kwariga nitobeto usangamo wika omerio Amayia ya Chinsa Ikomi senchira yobenge toko ya chaka wasomora iwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto amona baraiban cross serikali ya Kenya kwanza abikira nase umuyega bwamu gosomusangrekano obwa masabona boigo umuyega bwo chengero bokoreri bwe myaka 30 segasyo monene asekanisa ya ACK Milimani imeye county ya Nairobi okwana chinga kiecho Ruto nigabaga wakambye muno cyase chikanisa cyonsitiri kibwate kinyagatari ase ogotenena ne serikali eriyo kweneke yabuna ogoikiraniwa akobokoreri bobubwenya asabantu bonsi kwabere kogokorekana nigatabune kirengeke ne ye serikali no kweneke yakera mu Kenya obeirega kwenyorera ekada se enchira yo goikero bokoreri bobubwenya senchira yo ere engororo ase kinyagetari chinga kiecho nigatabune serikali anerengete kweneke yabuna kero mu Kenya bwo kunyora wense oberega kuimukirere igoro gakwimukirere igoro kurengana nechira kya babete bakurya kinga kiye campaign inse ya bottom up economic model asata irebo igomorobero bubwaga chinyomba noro egatie kyorokerero kerebuna abakenya bali abatari kwenyara babere bagokonyekanya anya sokonyora chinyomba ekyo bakumenya aseri igori lireri ororo.
I want to thank faith-based institutions that run hospitals in Kenya for stepping forward and partnering with us. Today, we have registered close to 12.8 million people under the new UHC program because it is our intention to make sure that no Kenyan is left behind on matters health. For the first time, every Kenyan will have a health insurance for the first time. And it is because that's what the Bible says. That's what the Bible teaches. that we lift those at the bottom. It is the reason why our housing program, I'm very proud of what Mukuru is looking like. I'm very happy with what Kibra is looking like. Informal settlements, places where there are no toilets, there is no water, there is no road. Today, if you go to Mukuru, the 14,000 houses we are building, where somebody living in Mukuru for the first time can now not rent, but own a house by paying 3,000 shillings. That's my mission, to make sure that we...
Togos kabosioni go omokonyi bomra ibense rigadi gashawo murugio ye Pastor Dorcas gashawe gatia baraibanda na urabikirana ase omusangrekano bwa masabo ase kanisa ya Kigali eyo gotoka imeje county ya Embu gokwana chinga kiecho gashawe ni gabaga koruo kobolia uchase chikanisa kogenderera koruo ko sabera abarai nabo igo ense ya Kenya ase obwagare nigo chinga kiecha baga koene ga kworokia okwegena kwaya buno monene na chikumu bwera he makongwa yagendrete wetra anene yukugania kumurusia abisi asokubekerwa amamocho au gati yabo obutumekyo bobe bwe abisi naboigo amangana yobo ibibwe nibo ya serikali nigaberega kuriira na otebabuna abakenya nigo babachorete asumubaro munene na iga abakenya nabo bwatoko bwabuna naki gose gashawa nabega kugenda isiko asata ire boigomba bwatokwege nago cyase ebigambiro byense ya Kenya bunambache akwenekia obwene bwarokanire ase kiroyomo.
Sisi ni Wakristo na tunamwamini Mwenyezi Mungu. Na Mungu atafanya mapenzi yake. Binadamu wanaweza panga mambo mingi lakini iko Mungu mbinguni. Muendelee kutuombea. Muendelee kuombea nchi yetu. Sisi tulichaguliwa na watu wengi hawa ya Embu. Si ndio? Sijui kama tawezekana tulichaguliwa na hii watu yote tufukuzwe na watu wachache. Hiyo ni haki kweli watu ya Embu? Na ndio mimi namshukuru huyu mjumbe wenu Getonga Mukunji alipiga kura. Alipiga kura. Alisikiza watu wa Embu vile wanase. Hata huyu Dabwen alikuwa ameandika barua akakuja Embu akasikiza watu akapinduka. Akafuata vile wananchi wanafanya nini? Kwa sababu sisi zote ni watu ya kuchaguliwa. Na ni mzuri usikize ile watu ambao wamefanya nini? Kwa hivyo watu wa Embu mlichagua mimi na President William Ruto mkatupatia kura zenu zote. Tungeuliza uamuzi wa raia uheshimike. Kwa sababu raia wanapiga kura miaka 5. Na ni mzuri kuheshimu uamuzi wa nini? Lakini sisi tuna imani kubwa sana na mahakama zetu. Our judiciary is very professional, and I have no doubt in my mind that our eminent judges will protect and uphold the Constitution, the rule of law, and always make sure that the will of the people is sovereign. Na tukiwa that
Babwatani bekyama kya Orange Democratic Movement ODM nigo batwariro musangerekano munene imeye county ya Mombasa webago ikirano wego no murayu munene bwekyame kyo Raila Amolo Odinga asekirenga kyogo kwanera na goseko kwanera emeroberio ye kyama kinga kyo murayu bwekyame kyo Raila Odinga awecho kogenda asukurwanire kirogo kyobonya kirogo asekyombekeri kya AU niga babwatani abagavana kurwasi county au gati ya umugavana bwe county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati baba bagwikirana ase omusangerekano yogo kwana kinga kecho aratiniga baga koene kiabuna ekyama kia ODM gagendrete koba egetingu asaruro kuborewo cyase ababwatani bonsi kogendera ko bwatrana eriogo skia bosio emeroberio yekyama aratibo igoniga baga koene kiabuna nigo baracie koronge ya chimbwa na maskani ase kyamekyo eriogo ikirania emeroberio asenchira hibwenerete.
Tutahakikisha chama kiko imara katika pwani. Na kawaida wakati mwingine unajua meno kwa ulimi wakati mwingine zinaumana. Isiwe shida kubwa. Kule Kilifi tulikuwa na meno imeumana na ulimi, tumesuluhisha ile swala. Gavana yuko hapa, speaker yuko hapa, MCA wako hapa. Mambo ya Kilifi tulimaliza juzi. Na naomba kwamba tuendelee kushirikana ndiposa Kilifi yetu isimame vile ilivyokuwa. Unajua kumekuwa na ukora kidogo katika chama chetu. Si mnajua hivyo? Kuna watapeli, lakini sisi kwa sababu baba yuko hapa. Baba, we want to assure you as you are going, we will instill discipline. That one you can be sure. Kwa hivyo kuna wale ambao mnadhania kwamba sisi tutahakikisha kwamba adabu ya chama imesimama. Sisi tunasema kwamba kama chama kikubwa East and Central Africa lazima kukuwe na nidhamu ya hali ya juu. Kwa hivyo msiwe na wasiwasi.
Nechinga kingana yoko ganya kumurusia bisomo konyibo muraiben serigathi gashawe gendrete koreta umongso na bege birengere kurasa ba Kenya nigo ababwatani korwase kiombe kyobomo bwechi kanisa NCCK anene korwase orogongo ruwa western babiri bage sokya ana kusanga ebirengerero byabo gukwana nigo ababwatani abo babiri bakuru kuburo cyase ebunkenene kwene kyabunango bwatireri chiko bunari bwenerete bwikiranu na mono ogotegerera amaganyo yaba Kenya korengana no ibirengerero byo byaba bigosangererwa kubwatkana no kumurusia bisi kwaye gashawa nigo kingekecho baburiye abachumbe kubeka bosyo amaganyo yaba Kenya erokwene kyabuna ensi ya Kenya yabereke gotorwa kurwase amakongu ayo bagenderete weterane naso gwikiraniwa kwa magendero yekingenjo ao.
The Constitution of Kenya 2010 provides for the impeachment of the president, governors and their deputies and has outlined clear procedures for the same. To this extent, members of the National Assembly are exercising a mandate placed on them by the Constitution as they deliberate on the motion seeking impeachment of the Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua. Nonetheless, we call upon members of Parliament to take the views expressed in the public participation sessions seriously and not ignore it as has been witnessed in the past. We are, however, concerned that this process is ostensibly being used to divert the citizens' attention from the salient issues that are killing the nation. We indeed wish that members of Parliament exercise similar energy and resources on matters that are priority to the lives of the people of Kenya. We appeal to all Kenyans, and especially the residents of Western region, to remain peaceful regardless of the outcomes of the impeachment process.
Sisi kama Western region tumesema wananchi wakae na amani regardless of the outcome. Kama itasema atoke ama sitoke, tunasema tunapetoa wito wananchi wetu wa Western region wakae na amani. Unajua mswada ambao ulienda kwa wananchi ni kuhusu kutimuliwa kwa naibu wa rais. Wakati mswada kama huo unakuja, focus inatakana iwe kwa hiyo. Lakini sasa tunaonelea watu walienda wakaanza kupeana maneno mengi.
Nomo seneta bwe county ya Nandi Samson Gerard Gaini gaberega koene kyabuna ebunge Senate nigera chigotire na asekene achinga kibara chego tegerera na boigo kokoro kunacha igoro yengana yoko murusia bisomo konyo bumurai wenseri gadiga shawa ukwana chinga kiecho Gerard Gaini gaberega goteba abuna osebuna nigo baganetie ense bege ko bensere eyobotorero na boigo omorembe chinga kichonsi asegesa ku kyamambia namono koene kya abuna nigo barabo barachigo na asekene kweneke buna Chinsa mochonsi ebunge ensemo yomo konyibo muraibensi nabo igaba Kenya kero yomo obeire ga konyoro bwene.
What I want to assure the country, nikiwa hapa nyumbani, tutafanya haki kwa kila mtu. Wale National Assembly ambao wanataka kubandua naibu wa rais, tutawasikiza. Naibu wa rais anapojitetea, tutamsikiza. Sisi kama bunge la Senate, kama taifa, mtuweke kwa maombi ndio tuweze kukata haki mbele ya binadamu na mbele ya Mwenyezi Mungu. Tunataka National Assembly wakienda wapate haki, naibu wa rais apate haki, Wakenya wapate haki, na tujue ya kwamba Kenya ni kubwa kuliko sisi wote. This country will remain. Sisi ni wapita njia. Heshima ambayo natakana tuachie watoto wetu wadogo ni kuachia nchi yenye furaha, yenye amani, yenye ni wacha Mungu, yenye wako na heshima. So next week we are going to taskisa sana. Na mtuombe kwa sababu bunge la Senate itabadilisha ikuwe judges. Sisi sasa ni majaji. Tutasikia ushahidi na tutasikia kwa umakinifu sana. We will listen to the evidence very keenly, and we must be satisfied that the evidence presented and the grounds presented meets the threshold that the allegations of the National Assembly leveled against the Deputy President. We listen keenly. Tunataka tuulize wa Kenya mahali popote Senate inaposikia hiyo maneno mkuwe watulivu.
Nekiraba Kenya bagenderete kweburia mange kubatikana n'umuroberio Amayia bobokareri bobubena osha uyabagogonchorero wakorwa NHIF nigo omoriki obotambe ase semo yobokore libubwene gose medical services are kimtai aberega korwa gosega ko enekeria bakenya buna n'umuroberio rengete koru gokonya abakenya mono na beigo kweresa ingencho yogonchoreria korwa NHIF gochia sha.
The NHIF Acts could not accommodate the rollout of universal health care, and therefore we passed the 4 laws that will support, which was the legal framework that will support the rollout of the universal health care coverage. And therefore we had to come up with a clear roadmap of now moving from the NHIF to the Social Health Authority. The key thing also that we looked at is we have now 3 funds as opposed to the earlier NHIF where there was only 1 fund, which was the contributory fund. But now under Social Health Authority we have 3 funds. That's the Primary Healthcare Fund, which will cater for treatment of patients at level 2 and level 3 facilities. And this will be provided free to those who are registered under SHA. And then the second fund is the Social Health Insurance Fund, which is a contributory fund for all Kenyans who have registered and have either they are salaried or they are unemployed. If they are unemployed, then they have to be verified through what's called the means testing or assessment of their income based on their status, and they will be the assessment will be done, and they will know exactly how much they are supposed to pay in terms of their contributions, which will be 2.75%. Those who are salaried will definitely, from this month, the employers are going to deduct their 2.75% from their gross salary to be paid.
Mwanchi muri bono roboti ona rogotre tomere bwa maye Chinsa Ikomi asenchira ere yo benge ngo bakirambye muno bari mwese bugendrete gutobwate na guturigereria korwase Chinsinyo au inyoro buna ya munenda mangino yanyora asenchira yo bikiranuge koragense muno bigo Chinsa isato cyamugoroba narabiga koretwa Osero nere Josephat Amisi gendra kubati miro berions ya Ndizi TV asensemo ya Facebook otunyarwetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News na biga se website ito otunyarwetera www.ndizitv.net eri otogendere gusanga asubwa mweri tariane Everyline Osero oriya ine kyachibichanero gichawe ikere ni gakuru kwa Sara mumanye twarubugere baro bya semero video ekobwatya nabige marogoba erentwerero.